Okay, we're continuing from the previous model, but with a prepared version now. We created the parabola using straight lines by folding. So this point folded to there to give me this line here. The thing to realise is that this line is actually halfway. Actually, it was this line. This line is halfway between the two, and if you were to draw a line between them, you should get a right angle. Oh, it was on that line. That line should be the halfway point. So we're going to use the try and find a property of the parabola now, using this line, which is a directrix, and this point. That was the point we used to create the parabola, and it's called the focus. So, directrix and the focus. I'm putting the notes out here because we're going to be drawing in the space. Now in the space, it's normally easiest if we start somewhere near the middle, and these points pair off to create a set of parallel lines going parallel to the edge. We've got this line. I only want to draw from the dot at the top to the point where it meets one of the lines. Now most of these, they should meet a clear single line until you get out here. When you get out this end, it becomes a little bit difficult. What happens when we hit a line, and we're going to draw, this is a line, and imagine this was a perfect mirror. A line will actually reflect away at the same angle as it came in. So I'm putting my protractor down. The tick mark going this way is actually the line it's being reflected in. We're reflecting using the mirror here to use this mirror line while it copies. And what that means is the angle must stay the same. So the angle on this side is going to be 74. So on the inner scale from the other side, 0 to 74. And when I connect the reflection to that point, I go near the point and I leave it. I don't need to keep going up here, and we'll do that a load more times. So take a line, make sure you pair the lines off carefully, so that one's going straight through the point. Let's go for this one, which is out here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll come out, and we get to the point where it meets one line. Do the same thing, put your protractor along that line, so that is the actual mirror, and the line of reflection is the one at 90 degrees to it. Check the angle is 54 degrees, so I'll do 54 degrees from the other side. And keep going. Now that's the first test that I would like to do, and you should be seeing what's going on as it goes through. The second thing I'd like you to do is measure first of all the distance from top to bottom between the 2 points, and then to measure the distance from that line to where these points all seem to cross. Work out the total distance along that to this crossing point, so from that point to the reflection and that to that point. And those two things will give us a property, an important set of properties for the parabola, and why it's so useful.